In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new group in Notion. We'll walk through this step by step so you can follow along on your own screen and understand what each click is actually doing, not just where to click. First, open the Notion database where you want to add a group. This could be a table, a board, a list, or any database view you're already using. Make sure you're on the correct page and that you're looking at the database, not just a regular text page. If you have multiple views, like table view and board view, it's fine to stay in the one you usually work in, as long as it shows the properties you want to edit. Once you're in the database, look for the description property or column in your database header. This might be one of the columns at the top of your table, or one of the properties listed on the left if you're in a different type of view. Click directly on the name of that property, the one labeled description. This opens up the property settings, where you can change the type of the property and adjust how it behaves. Inside the property settings, you'll see the current type of this property. Right now, it might be set to something like text or another basic property type. What we want to do is change it so that this property can hold groups. To start that process, click on the current type, and then look for the option labeled Group. Click on Group to begin switching this property to a group type property. At this point, Notion may still be showing text or another type as selected, so we're going to confirm that change. You'll likely see a small menu or drop-down where text is highlighted as the current option. Click on text again to open that drop-down of property types. From that list, once more, choose Group. This confirms that you want this property to behave as a group property instead of just plain text. After you click on Group, Notion will update that property so you can now assign or organize entries by group within your database. From here, you can start adding values or using this property to categorize your items, depending on how you want to structure your workspace. And that's it. You've opened your database, accessed the description property, adjusted the property type, and set it to group so you can organize your Notion database more effectively.